Hello guys, today in this video we will going to learn how to create a registration form in PyCharm using Python language. So we will now going to create a new Python file and we will name it registration form. Okay, see, now our file is created and now we will import Tkinter module. Tkinter import star. Now we will going to write root equals to tk and side bracket curly bracket close, and now we will going to write root dot geometry. Okay, and now we will going to input the length of 500 x 300. Okay, this means root dot geometry equal to 500 to 300. This means when we will run this program, the display will become, this is going to be this length and this is going to be its breadth. Okay, I am showing you. We will now going to label root comma text. What we will going to show it in text, we will going to write school registration form. Okay, school registration form comma font. In font we will going to display that how in type, which type of the going to show here. In we will going to show it in AR 15 bold. Okay, dot grid bracket row equals to 0 comma column equals to 3. Okay, and now we will going to close it. Root dot main loop. Okay, now let's run this program and see registration from sorry I have mistaken the error. Now we're going to write this. See, school registration form. We are going to write, you can write any type of form you want to write. You can write office form or else something else. That depends upon you. Okay, now here we will going to enter the field name. Okay, like name equals to label root comma text equals to student name. Okay, student name, father equals to label root comma text equals to father's name. Okay, mother equals to label root text mother name. Okay, this the thing is we are like going to do it in the form. It will be going to show student name and we will storing this and we will store this value in name function module. Father name will store this value in father. Mother's name will store in value in mother. Like this we are going to add label root comma text equals to email address. Okay, now we will see. I think we should add one more thing, which is phone. Label root text equals to phone number. Okay, so these all the fields I have written over here. It is going to name field, father field, mother field, email field, and phone field. And now what will go? We will going to close this field. Okay, so basically we will doing this here, written the name. So we will name dot grid row equals to 1 comma column equals to 2. See, we have closed this field. Let's check while run this program. It will only show the student name. See, it is showing the student name. See, now like this we will going to close the father, mother, email, phone field. Father, mother, email, phone. Okay, dot grid, in bracket we are going to write row equals to 2 comma column equals to 2. Okay, see, this is basically a graph. Okay, in first line is 1 row 1 and all the column in 2 row 2 sorry, by chance mother dot and we will going to close the father field dot grid bracket will write row equals to 3 column equals to 2. Same grid row equals to, here it is 3 and we're going to write 4 column equals to 2 dot grid and we're going to write row equals to 5 column equals to 2. Okay, we have closed all the name function, grid function. See, it is label, it is the name of the, it is showing the heading, this all the field, and we have closed all the field function. Wait, let me run this program. Let's run this program. See, it is name. In the name we have stored the student name, so it is showing student name. In the second row, mother grid, in mother we have stored the mother's name. Third row we have stored the father grid, father's name. Third row equals to 3. In the fourth row we have stored the email, and email, the value is stored is email address. And in the fifth, the phone, the phone number. Okay, and now we will going to create a string bar for inputting the values. Okay, so name value equals to string var. Like this we will going to create mother value equals to string var. Okay, father email phone. Okay, value equals to string var. And now you will going to ask this question that why we will writing this. This means that we will going to write some values. We not write, it is not showing. See, wait a minute, let me finish this program. String var grid string var. So we will run this program. It will be showing this student name, mother's name that we have written in the previous time. Now we will writing this for taking a box where we will going to write what is the student name. For example, student name is dark devil, mother's name is something, father's name something, email address something, phone number something. Okay, so we are going to write, and basically here we will also close the string variable like. Okay, like name, see, entry dot grid. See, here also name dot grid we have stored this type of variable, and here also we will store this variable row equals to 1, column equals to 3. See, in same way we will going to also do this. Mother dot grid row equals to 2, comma, column equals to 3. See, now we will going to continue this thing. Name mother father dot sorry I have not written entry over here. Entry dot grid row equals to 3, comma, column equals to 3. And now we will going to write entry dot grid row equals to 4, comma, column equals to 3, and phone dot grid entry dot grid row equals to 5, comma, column equals to 3. Okay, now basically we will going to add something more. We will be creating a field. This we have all tagged the field, but we have not created the field. Okay, now we will going to create a field. In name entry that we have written over here, we will going to store the value entry. We are going to enter the value text variable equals to, see, string var name value. We are going to put the name value over here. Okay, text variable name value. In name entry we used to store the name value variable over name entry. In the same way we will going to write mother entry equals to entry root comma text variable equals to text variable which is mother entry text variable mother value mother mother value but see father entry equals to entry root comma text variable equals to text variable equals to father's value name mother father and email entry equals to entry root comma text variable, and in the entry field we will going to write what we have written, email, then email value. Same way we will going to for the phone, which is storing the phone number, phone entry equals to entry in bracket right root comma text variable equals to phone value. Okay, and let me check, it is showing here something, text variable phone entry. Let's run this program. I think it will be going to show an error. Yes, it is showing an error at 28 number point. Oh, so wait. Phone, we have posed the phone grid, and now we will going to phone dot create phone value and text variable txt equals to phone value. Where is the error is occurring? Oh यार, tgr mother, and here phone entry equals to the phone value is not defined. Oh sorry, I have not written your value, that's why it is showing the error. From get testing her. Now we are going to run this program. Again showing we have something in line 22, phone value dot read is equal to string var. Let me check where I have. I think that I have done something wrong, and it is I have written over here greet function that I have not. And now we are going to write. And now last time we will going to run our program. See, our registration form is ready. Here you can write Aniket, Rahul, or something. When I'm writing over here, dark devil, for example, mother's name, devil, white, father's name, devil, black, email address, something, or else phone number we're going to write. For example, I am writing. Okay, and now it is not yet finished. We will going to add a submit button. Here we will going to write submit it. Okay, we are going to create a submit button, and for going to create a submit button, we will write button text equals to, in text we let submit. Okay, comma, comment equals to get vals dot grid row equals to 7, comma, column equals to 3. And see, we are going to run this program. Sorry, I have not written the get vals function over here. Now we are going to write get var function def get var print your registration has accepted. Okay, it's not created a gateway. Remember one thing, that this is row equals to and column equals to 3. This always represent the graph. Okay, see, when I will going to run this program, this row and column this row and column define the in which row in which column. Means row means this student, row 1, row 2 means mother 2 in same, row 3 means father name, row 4 email. In here we have defined in graph like row 1 and column 1 means in the first, row 2 and column 2 second, row 2 and column 3, like this way. Okay, here it will going to submit. Okay, submit button, and now we are going to run this program. Registration from, see, for when I will going to write student name Aniket, mother's name Reha, father's name Rahul, mother's name, email address t@gmail.com, phone number. Okay, let's cancel this one and write and when we're going to submit it, here it will be going to return that your registration has been accepted. Submit. See, your registration has been accepted. Again we're going to submit, your registration has been accepted. Okay, like this way you can create any registration form depends on you. Here you can write any name equals to student name, or you can write any candidate name, father's name, except father's name. You can write roll number, class, section, anything. That depends upon you.